Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Stefan here with All American Print Supply, coming to you live from our 2023 California branch open house. And if you've ever been to any of our parties before, you know we like to do it big. And we might, just maybe, be introducing some brand new products. So if it's your first time on the channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions on anything in the video, you can leave it in the comment section below. Let's go check out the party. Now don't let this fresh new look fool you, it's still the same great printer. That's right, America's #1 selling desktop print shop, the Prestige A3 Plus R, just got a makeover. To go along with some upgraded lightweight materials for an easier to open top cover, a sturdier construction on the tray, rest assured, the printhead system and the quality internals are all the same, so you expect nothing less than the best from the Prestige A3 Plus R. But if you're looking to throw your direct-to-film printing into overdrive, look no further than this race car of a DTF machine. Of course, we're talking about the Prestige XL2. Over 100 square feet per hour of efficiency. We recently did a full breakdown at Printing United. And you can check out all the details and the specs on this awesome printer by clicking right here. You know, personally, I've always thought it's a big jump from the Prestige A3 Plus R to something like the XL2. Man, if only there was something in the middle I thought, like, oh my goodness. This is the middle child from DTF Station, the latest Prestige L2 60-inch direct-to-film printer? My goodness. You factor in this compact, unique design, it's going to be the perfect upgrade from a smaller pipeline. And you throw in its perfect companion, something like the L16 shaker, powder applicator, and dryer, you're looking like a match made in heaven for full hands-free production. Now I wonder how this stacks up against the XL2 though. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about how these two awesome direct-to-film machines do compare. First of all, they're both going to be running dual Epson i3200 printheads underneath the hoods of these machines. Next, we can enjoy near edge-to-edge printing thanks to vacuum suction on the film platforms. And speaking of which, we also have front and rear arc heating plates, which will keep the ink nice and stable as they're fed rear and in out of the machine. And lastly, I'm going to say they both have awesome head strike sensors, which prevent head strikes. Additionally, talk about convenience. Both the L2 and the XL2 will come equipped standard with included brackets for the computer and for the monitor system. And white ink management. We're looking at immediately upon power up, instant agitation stirring of that white ink, as well as continuous circulation of both white ink channels. And when you're running the optimized resolution of 720 by 1800 DPI, you can count on the friendly features of the fan favorite CAD-Link Digital Factory software for DTF. Now when it comes to differences between the XL2 and the latest L2, it's really going to come down to physical footprint. With the XL2, we can enjoy near edge-to-edge, approximately 24-inch roll printing, where the L2 is going to clock in at closer to 16 inches. Nextly, the main difference I'd say is going to be print speed. With the XL2, we can enjoy over 100 square feet per hour of continuous roll printing production, and the L2 is going to clock in somewhere between about 40 to 50 square feet an hour. If you couldn't make it out to this open house, make sure you check out the events calendar. You never know we're coming to a city near you for an awesome trade show or one of our house parties. We've got live demonstrations, seminars, raffles, basically a whole lot of fun. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and drop some thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions on any of the products we've gone over today, you can leave those in the comments section or hit the links in the description down below. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. My name is Stefan. We're All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.